In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add to-do in OneNote. First, let's start by opening OneNote on your device. As you launch the application, you will see the familiar interface filled with your notebooks and sections. This is where your organizational skills come to life. OneNote is designed to help you keep your notes and tasks in one place. By opening the application, you prepare to create a streamlined list of tasks. This is important because staying organized can significantly enhance your productivity. Once you have OneNote open, navigate to the page where you want your task to be added. You might have multiple pages or different notebooks, so take a moment to locate the specific page that suits your needs. This is crucial because adding your tasks to the right page ensures you can find them easily later on. You will see a blank space where you can start typing your tasks. Now that you are on the right page, click on the Home tab at the top of the screen. The Home tab is the central hub for your note-taking actions. It contains all the essential tools you need to format your notes and manage your tasks. By clicking on the Home tab, you are ensuring that you have access to the To-Do list feature. This step is significant because it sets the stage for adding your tasks effectively. Next, find and click the To-Do icon, which looks like a checkbox. This icon is usually located in the toolbar under the Home tab. Once you click it, a checkbox will appear on your page. This small icon is more than just a visual element. It represents a crucial part of managing your tasks. By using the To-Do feature, you can easily track what needs to be done and what has already been accomplished. After clicking the To-Do icon, it's time to type your task into the space next to the checkbox. Take a moment to clearly articulate what you need to do. This may be a simple reminder or a detailed task. Writing it down not only helps you remember but also provides a sense of accomplishment when you check it off later. This step is essential because it transforms vague reminders into concrete tasks. Now, to add another task, simply press the Enter key on your keyboard. This action creates a new line with another checkbox, ready for your next task. You can continue adding as many tasks as you need by pressing Enter after each one. This feature allows you to build a comprehensive to-do list in just a few moments. Finally, when you finish a task, click the checkbox next to it. This action marks the task as completed. You will see a visual confirmation when the checkbox is ticked. This small act not only signifies that you have completed something important, but it also helps you stay motivated as you visually track your progress. Remember, checking off tasks gives you a sense of achievement and encourages you to keep going. By following these steps, you have successfully added tasks to your OneNote to-do list. This process helps you stay organized and focused on what you need to accomplish. With your tasks neatly arranged and easily accessible, you can now approach your day with clarity and purpose. Thank you for watching and enjoy your productive journey with OneNote.